Morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and let me show you how to remove Google account. First, open the settings, then mark accounts and backup, and click on manage accounts at the top of the list. Here select the account that you want to remove and mark remove account. And if you truly want to get rid of this account with all its data, just mark remove account and click on OK to confirm. Then you need to provide your fingerprint or pattern to confirm. Tap on continue then, and that's it. As you can see, the account has been removed. And now whenever you want to add Google account, just mark add account and then provide details like email address or phone number along with the password. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.